In this week's video, we say goodbye to old YouTube friends. We have a visit from Mr. Turtle right in the marina. We sort out our canvas, cleaning it all off and reproofing the seams. And we make some more stuff for the boat. Enjoy the video, guys. Right, next little boat project. Well, there's one back there which I haven't got the timber I need yet, but this is the next boat project. We've just had that piece cut off the end of that, and this piece here has been pushed on there, so that's 25mm, that's 22mm, and I cut that and forced it on, and then I got the guys up the top to weld this plate on, which I already had on the boat, and then I got some wing nuts and put those in there because that needs to be bolted to that, and then to bolt that to that, to take that. So what's that? Oh, it's our grill. We've showed you this before, I think. I've just come up with a cunning plan. Do you like these? They're bright, aren't they? There's actually, they're in two pieces. So one piece is down there on the other side, and they're nice and bright, but they hide a secret. I'll show you the secret that they hide. Underneath, they are grey vinyl to match everything else on the boat, but we've actually got these covers made, and we didn't make these, we got Jakob to do those, and Jakob is the local guy that did this for us, and also did these zips in here. And actually there's quite a story behind this material. We wanted something different, didn't want something all the same. Let's tell you about that material and how we got it. We're out and about on the scooters, and we've been looking for some material to make some cushions out the back of the boat. For the summer, we want something that matches the grey upholstery of the rest of the boat, but something a bit brighter. We came across this material here. That's doubled in half. It's about 2.3 metres wide, so that'd be plenty. And just got to get some material, and as always we want to try and keep the stuff we buy local. And we've gone in to buy it, bought the material, went back for some thread, and got tea. I'll show you. You got tea. You got tea.
I've just explained to her that you're filming because
Så det är Jensens?
No, we've eaten, thank. A 50 Turkish lira for this material, and it's doubled up there. It's about 2.3 metres wide. So what's that, 7 foot? It's very bright, but it's got the grey in it that we wanted. And we're going to make some cushions for outside of Impavidus. Ekishmita, 8 metres. Perfect. I wondered if it might be like coal dust from, because I know they burn coal in the big.
Startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
morsels out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go.
Them's their sharp drills. Need to be just a tad deeper. I don't like these rose type countersinks. The idea is we can pack this up flat, so it will go in a lazarette or into a storage place. Screw them in from this side. Could do with that being a bit longer in that the top of it's moving. That works. Because you never have the passerelle on the barbecue up at the same time.
No, because most of the time would be an anchor. Try first up.
So to stop that moving off, one of the bolts now goes straight through there, which means that this can't move off of there. I've just got to sort this problem out. Now yesterday it looked okay, but the cold light of today, not okay. We've got some more of that 25mm, so I shall extend that up. That's it. So when the passerelle there is not in use, the barbecue will fit in the hole, which will be great when we're at anchor. And then underneath we've got those wing nuts, so that we can quickly take it apart, Put it in the lazarette, it doesn't take up all that room. He's not camera shy.
It's giving you a 360 now.
Juliet? Hello. Look over the side.
Oh, then look at look at that. Did you want to scrub it back?
Yeah.
Aren't you lovely? I wonder where you feed. Are they coming back to feed or to mate, do you think?
Come on, prayer.
Oh. You see the little tiny crab? What's he found then? He likes weed. They like weed, don't they? Grass.
I think he's trying to rub his barnacles off on the bottom of your boat.
That's alright, it'll be a barnacle, not barnacles in the bottom line. That's a thick head on, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, if you ask any cruiser what the hardest part about living aboard is, they won't say it's the weather. They'll usually say it's hellos and goodbyes. And goodbye is one of the things we've had to say to our friends who also have a YouTube channel in Turkish. It's a great channel and they're off for 5 to 7 years sailing around the world in their lagoon. They had a fantastic send-off, really good. The whole community here in Turkey is supporting them, as well as Seto marinas and local industry. It was great, absolutely great to see such popular people being given such a great send-off.
Something like that.
Yeah, soon when I went out this morning.
Can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair.
Well, that's another video done. I hope you've enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up, it helps us a lot if you do that. Subscribe. Every one of our videos is slightly different content every week. Pop over to Patreon and see what Patreons get. You could also go over to our website. Yep, we've got a website, svimpavidus.com. There's loads of stuff over there. You can read about how it all started. You can read about Impavidus, what sort of boat it is. There's also some free stuff. Yes, free giveaways and downloads. And then of course there's our blogs. Always interesting to read. Thanks for watching. Sail safe.
Life I wanna